Perfect. Here we are at FTM on the weekly time frame. I think this chart looks absolutely spectacular, even after we've done a good 131% on this trade. I still think this has a bit more juice left on the chart, and the juice that I'm looking for, not a bit more juice, I'm looking for a good 2x on the range that I am looking at right now, which goes in from 39 cents all the way up to 79 cents. Now, of course, we'll be talking about the bid opportunity, what I'm seeing on the chart, and why I am leaning bullish. Now, for those of you who've asked me, Krisha, where are you trading these altcoins? Because I know many of you guys are still sort of, you guys are still staying away from exchanges after the whole FTX debacle. So I'll be completely candid with you. I particularly am using the BitGet exchange for many of the altcoin trades, especially the high and mid M caps. And for the low M caps, I am using Uniswap. Don't ask me about the fees. It still kills. But yeah, for the other main players, I am using BitGet. I really like the interface. If you guys are looking to try out new exchanges, that's one I would suggest. You'll find a link to the exchange in the description below. If you use that link, you can get some $8,000 in deposit bonuses as well as discounts on your trading fees. All right, so you can go and give that one a test drive. Now, as far as FTM is concerned, yeah, I'm looking at a good 2x on this trade. But what is really tilting me bullisher in this region, in spite of us not really getting a confirmed close over our critical region of resistance at 39 cents, is this. If I just zoom out of this picture and draw in a line right here, I'm going to mark out a zone on the weekly time frame, and you can see that price has actually done really well respecting this zone. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, do that, and then I'll draw in a red box territory right here. Okay. Now you can see that price has done extremely well on the zone, even during the markup phase of that previous 2021 bull market. What I'm seeing here is a signature, particularly on the 3-day time frame. Now, if I take you guys on over to my 3-day time frame, okay, I'm going to zoom out of this picture once again. I'm going to zoom into this price action. I essentially want to draw in the significance of this region and how well it's gotten you into some amazing trades, okay? So if I just zoom in to this price action right here, I want you to notice this. Every time price has closed over the red box territory, it's rallied to the next target to the upside. The target that we are looking at comes in at 79 cents. Now notice here, okay, this was the first close over 46 cents, which is the top of our red box territory. Close over, rally to the upside all the way up to 79 cents. Now from 46 to 79, what does that move? That's still a good 72% on that trade. Okay, now we got a bit of a chop here where we closed into the red box territory, consolidated. However, now this for the second time when we broke back out of the red box, rallied to the upside once again at 79. Okay, lost the red box right here, rallied to the downside all the way down to 19 cents as support. Once again, we took out 46 right here, rallied to the upside. In fact, this trend now saw continuation, taking FTM to its highs at around $3.30. Right? Now, once again, if I zoom out of this picture, let's go ahead and see what price is doing relative to the red box territory. Do we have a close over the red box that could say that, hey, you know what, perhaps we're heading up to the top of the range once again at around 79 cents? Well, for that, let's go ahead and sort of dissect this price action right here. Now, note how the last time we were living over the red box territory was only back here in May of 2022. All right, every attempt at taking it out after that, so we tried taking out the red box right here, that was a fail. How about here? That too was met with rejection. Now, what are we doing against the red box right now? All right, let me zoom into this price action. We have finally a close over the red box territory. Okay, now we're currently using it as support underneath us. Now the main question is, can we actually see a better bid opportunity on FTM's chart? Because hey, you know what? We have still done a 131% on this move. In fact, I'm sure if I take you guys on over to the dashboard, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, the volatility is a bit moderate, telling us, hey, the bulls could pick this up from here too. But if I take you guys on over to the daily time frame, notice volatility is super frothy at 94. Right? In fact, 12-hour, if I show you 12-hour, 12-hour is also frothy at 83. We also have a potential bearish divergence. So with this picture now, let's get on over to the chart to see if we could have a better bid opportunity. Now, for me to figure out whether I could see a better bid opportunity on any chart, I first want to establish where is the trend being set at. And okay, so the trend currently is being established on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go ahead and switch on our Mango dynamic indicator. And if I zoom out, okay, I want you to notice price against the Mango dynamic ever since the trend on FTM got established once again. It's been trending on the dynamic. That has been an excellent signature on your lower time frames. Okay, it's only when we break the dynamic can we anticipate a further pullback. and this pullback usually lines up with the 4-hour Kijun. If I go ahead and turn on my Ichimoku cloud, you'll see that it usually comes down to the Kijun as it did right here as well. Okay, so now as for the bid opportunities are concerned, I'll be looking for this. I'll be looking for the dynamic to hold right here. Okay, if we lose the dynamic, I can then go ahead and turn on the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, and you can see that the Kijun, guys, comes in right here, and where do you know? 39 cents. Alrighty, that is going to be the next. This is bid opportunity 1 and bid opportunity 2. Okay, now gun to my head, based on how the 3-day closed, I am leaning, like I said, bullish on this chart. The 3-day closed today. If I take you guys back on over to the 3-day time frame, 3-day closed, well, we opened this candle today, so the next 3-day, guys, starts on Jan 31st. So what I want to see from this entire setup is for this 3-day candle, okay, which only closes on Jan 31st, to close over 46 cents. We want to see this red box territory hold as support underneath us. So essentially what I'm looking for here in the next 3 days, let's get back on over to the 4-hour time frame, is for price to come down here, wick into the pullback territory, and then close over the red box territory leading into the 3-day close. If we get that, this is going to be a bullish stance. Now, this is something I want you guys to watch out for. If we actually see the bounce on the dynamic indicator, this M-like formation that you might have spotted out on my chart morphs into a channel. Okay, it's either a falling channel or a falling wedge, both of which are bullish indicators on a technical standpoint. Okay, so that is something to watch out for, but what we are gunning for here is a price to drop down, give us that good bid opportunity, but close over the red box territory. If we fail to close over the red box territory, our trade setup hinged on the 3-day time frame and weekly time frame gets negated. At what point does FTM's entire picture turn bearish? Well, if we close the monthly, if we close this month underneath 39 cents, I say that this is likely coming down further leading into the month of Feb. Okay, but so what we're looking for in the next 3 days is for price to, of course, close over 39 cents, but even better, for immediate continuation to the upside, we want to see price close over 46 cents. Alrighty, what is the target that we're gunning for? 79 cents. Now, from our bid opportunity all the way up to 79 cents, that's still going to be a good 83% to the upside. So yeah, this is today's FTM analysis for you guys. I'm so sorry for the mess, but if there's anything you did not understand, let me know in the comment section below, or one better, get into the Discord chat and ask away. You'll find a link to the Discord in the description below. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, smash the like button, and I will see you in the next update with this. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.